Globetraveller Pathfinder Z. Twin beds in the rear. Additional roof bed above the seating area. Spacious continuous sleeping area. Or twin beds. Additional bed with dimensions 187 centimeters by 134 centimeters. Swivel table. 2-burner gas stove with piezo igniter. Large sink with cover. Compressor refrigerator with a volume of 90 liters. Storage space in the rear. Optional holder for 2 bicycles. Length 636 centimeters. Width 206 centimeters. Height 300 centimeters. Optional Peugeot or Fiat. 165 to 180 horsepower. 2.2-liter Euro 6. Fresh water volume 100 liters. Gray water volume 130 liters. Gross weight 3,500 and curb weight 3,060 kilo. Dimensions of rear bed 196 by 75 and 190 by 75 centimeters. Interior height 195 to 210 centimeters. Do you like this camper van? Then check out this video.